Welcome to Camaraderie Health Agency Health and Wellness Series. Our topic is breast cancer. Did you know that breast cancer is the most common cancer among women worldwide? It's a shocking statistic that underscores the urgency of taking preventive measures. Did you know that cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cabbage contain compounds that have been linked to reducing the risk of breast cancer? Today, we're going to talk about how making simple changes to your diet can play a crucial role in reducing the risk of breast cancer. By paying closer attention to what we eat, we can empower ourselves in the fight against this devastating disease. The rates of breast cancer continue to rise, affecting millions of women each year. However, research has shown that our dietary choices can have a significant impact on our susceptibility to this disease. By making informed decisions about what we put into our bodies, we can potentially lower the risk of developing breast cancer. So, what dietary changes can we make to help protect ourselves? First and foremost, increasing the consumption of fruits and vegetables is key. These nutrient-dense foods are packed with antioxidants and other compounds that can help ward off cancer. In addition, reducing the intake of processed foods, which are often loaded with unhealthy fats and additives, can also make a big difference. Also, watching your vitamin D level is important because low vitamin D levels link to higher breast cancer risk in Black and Hispanic women. Lastly, limiting alcohol consumption is crucial, as excessive drinking has been linked to an increased risk of breast cancer. One key study that highlights the importance of diet in breast cancer prevention is the Nurses' Health Study. This long-term research project has shown that women who follow a healthy diet and lifestyle have a significantly lower risk of developing breast cancer. These findings underscore the power of our everyday choices in shaping our health outcomes. In summary, by making simple yet impactful changes to our diet, we can take proactive steps towards reducing the risk of breast cancer. Remember to prioritize fruits and vegetables, cut back on processed foods, and moderate alcohol intake. By embracing a healthy lifestyle, we can empower ourselves in the fight against this disease. I urge you to share this video with your loved ones, especially any women who may benefit from this important information. Together, we can raise awareness about the role of diet in breast cancer prevention. Don't forget to subscribe for more health-related content and join us in promoting overall well-being. Thank you for watching.